Catalyst AC-11 is a very unique, potent, highly concentrated product by Osmosis. It's considered a DNA repair serum, a firming serum, and a healing serum. It's formulated with amino acids, ascorbic acid, cat's claw, and minerals. And what these ingredients do is they activate the repair mechanisms of your cells, as well as facilitate something called zinc finger technology, which causes a DNA repair, because our DNA is always being attacked by things like UV and many other environmental factors. So this serum is working to repair that damage that we experience daily. It's also been proven to increase elasticity by 110%. It's the first vitamin C product that can be applied to your eyelids, and it has a proven firming effect. Yes, there's many clinicals to back this product up. As well as its boosts skin's radiance, it's very calming and healing for the skin. So people that are dealing with capillaries on their skin notice a major change over time when using this serum. And it's also an essential product for those dealing with melasma and pigmentation. And it also helps to lighten acne scars. Old acne scars, those pigmented, really stubborn ones, this really helps with that. And one really cool thing it does is it actually helps with skin tags. So if you have a skin tag anywhere on your body, apply some Catalyst, put a Band-Aid over it, and then over time, you're gonna see that skin tag disappear. So the product is Catalyst AC-11, highly potent, very unique product by Osmosis. And anybody looking to be on a healthy aging routine, this is a must-have in your product line, along with the other two, Stem Factor and Rescue. This trifecta is incredible.